juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce it in the chapel. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for drum with a marching beat. E is for elephant, big and bold. F is for fish in water cold. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hat that you wear on the street. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, a tasty delight. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging high. N is for nest up in the sky. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for penguin walling around. Now sing with me, come on, let's go. Letters are fun and help us grow from A to Z. Come sing along, let's learn the alphabet in this song. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging at night. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the highway lane. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for xylophone, play a tune too. Y is for yo-yo, spinning free. Z is for zebra, black and white, you see. Now you know your ABCs. Sing it again with fun and glee. From A to Z, you did just fine. Learning letters one at a time.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!
Hello kids, let's learn counting today. This is one apple. This is two, two apples. This is three, three apples. This is four, four apples. This is five, five apples. This is six, six apples. This is seven, seven apples. This is eight, eight apples. This is nine, nine apples. This is 10, and 10 apples. Great job, kids. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time. Bye bye.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!